So when you multiply, you have to FOIL the top. First times first is that. The outer product is a negative 1 of that sum, and the inner product is a positive 1 of that sum. They cancel out, and then the last times last is negative 1. All right. At this stage, you probably expanded this binomial. All right, and what do you notice? Sine squared plus cosine squared is 1 minus 1 is 0. What else do you notice? Sine cosine divided by sine cosine is 1. Alright, so we've simplified the original problem to what is the minimum of the absolute value of sine of x plus cosine of x plus the ratio of 2 and sine of x plus cosine of x minus 1. This has not been clue 3. This was just working through clue 2. What do you do now? Maybe you take the derivative of the inside and set it equal to 0. But I don't know if you're going to be able to find the exact answer without a calculator. So with these Putnam problems, the answers need to be exact, and there are no calculators. So if you'd like a clue to what to do next, even though I didn't offer a new clue here, I think you're going to need to come back to the next video.